Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today I'm installing the IMS bearing for this 986 Boxster S in the rear main seal. I have removed the old IMS bearing with the special tool that I've got shown on the other video. And here's the other single row IMS bearing. And you got the dual row here. The difference is just double the size, pretty much. Look at that. 1, 2. Anyway, so that's a bigger one. That's a smaller one. There's only two types. 997s are different as well. So this is 986 and 996 share the same one. Boxster and 996, 911 share the same bearing. And this is the one I'm putting in today. Roller bearing, IMS bearing. Much better with the oil feed. It's already done down there somewhere. So the oil comes from down there on the modified oil pump, cut out, and then straight into here and lubricate the actual IMS bearing running. So, alright, let me press pause and I'll put this in, and then I'll continue the video. Alright, actually I just want to show you the other cap. That's the new cap that comes with. It sits outside here. The old one, the old cap that's the old cap. This is the new one, and that's the new bearing, and that's the two types of bearing, dual row and single row. All right, they're both made by NSK from Japan. So this is a Japanese style IMS bearing. Nothing special about it, but this one here is roller bearing, better style. Alright, okay, that's the new IMS bearing installed already on this car here. I just got to wipe down the bit of Loctite at the back, but make it nice and clean after this. But I just want to show you quickly before I do that. That's the brand new IMS bearing installed. Now I'm going to put the cap on, and then I'll do the actual rear main seal, and then the separator, and all the other stuff I showed on the previous video. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.